Meaning of grown up.
Grown up.
Grown up.
Grown up.
Grown up. Grown up refers to a person who has reached maturity and is no longer a child. It describes someone who has gone through the process of physical and mental development that occurs during adolescence, and has gained the knowledge, skills, and experience necessary to navigate the complexities of adult life. Grown-ups are expected to take responsibility for their actions, make decisions independently, and contribute positively to society. They are often characterized by qualities such as wisdom, strength, and resilience, and are respected for their ability to lead and inspire others.